Our municipality has always lagged behind. I will be, I will have that big heart to accept that we have been lagging behind in the past as far as the recovery of the tax is concerned, so, from the trade licenses, from the house tax. But I am now glad that with our new chief officer, with his efforts, with the efforts of the council, we have been on a right path. And from the time, from December onwards, okay, we have managed to do a very good recovery. Every day, from 5th of December, we started this drive. In the past, we have been telling people, or I have been telling all the chief officers, that you need to make teams and send them in the field. And this is exactly what he has done. He has given them sort of a task that they have to do all these things. And thanks to his effort, to the team who has been going on the field, the council has managed to recover a substantial amount. In fact, from 5th of December, every day we have been getting 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 11 lakhs sometimes, and it is going on. So till date we have recovered about 1.77 crores. Okay, and another thing I would like to highlight is, with our consistent efforts in the last about almost 8 months, after having dialogues with the petroleum companies, the two petroleum companies, especially the Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum, their arrears were due from 2008 also. A lot of effort went into this because we had to dig through those accounts. There were the companies always told us that they have made the payments, but there has not been proper record, or they were not matching with our records. We had to go back up to 2008 records, and it was a real big task to go through those accounts. And then we at last, with our advocates, with the with several meetings with the petroleum company representatives, where we at last arrived at some point. And then to my sort of it is actually a very hearty and pleasant moment. Bharat Petroleum has paid 57 lakhs to us. So from the Hindustan Petroleum, their amount was lesser. It was something to the tune of some 22 lakhs or 27 lakhs, I think. But a demand notice has also been served to them to come and pay. Now that we have paid, we have also increased their rent. So this is the first time. So altogether, with that 57 lakhs, our recovery has been to the tune of about 2.3 crores.
Whatever we have targeted is right now only the house taxes. We have not targeted trade licenses as well as the rentals. If you cumulatively take the entire figure into consideration, it might be about 16 crores. But then there are some places where, for instance, government departments are not liable to pay taxes. They are still figuring in our computer database, which has to be written off. There might be some old structures as well, which have been still assessed for the purpose of tax on and over that a new building has come up. So if you do that reconciliation might give us a back up the figure to about 13 crores.